We need to talk. Why'd you go over my head?
I need Commander Riggs' Yankee White file, and I don't want to waste time.
And did you get it?
Not yet.
Next time you need something from the Secret Service, ask me. I'm the agent on this case.
Who authorized you to give me this?
You know damn well who. You called him.
Would you have given it to me without his authorization?
What's your point?
Is that a no?
We have protocol to follow.
That's a no.
How would you feel if I went to your boss for an autopsy report?
Amused. He'd tell you to come ask me.
You wouldn't need his permission?
Nope.
For anything?
Perhaps to go to the bathroom.
I'm not laughing.
I thought it was kind of funny.
Would you have gone over the head of a male agent?
When it comes to cutting red tape, I'm an equal opportunity offender.
I had my doubts about that. So know this, I earned my jockstrap a long time ago. You do not want to get into a pissing contest with me.
Hey, doesn't that feel kind of empty sometimes?
Get the hell out of my office.